I'm Anisha.
I'm Priyanka, and we're both co-founders of a health hub.
And today we're going to be teaching you how to make easy no-sew masks from home.
So first you want to fold your cloth into thirds, and then take one rubber band and place it on one side, about a third of the way, and then do the same thing on the other side. And try to flatten out the cloth to get as much area as possible, and then fold in both ends of the cloth into the middle like this on top of each other. And to secure it, I would place one end into this little gap on the other end. So once you have your mask done, you can use the rubber bands to place them around your ears. So to put on the mask, just place each rubber band around the respective ear, and there you go.